Hello guys, welcome back. I'm gonna do like a live trading video, but I will only trade on practice because we have a bank holiday and I'm just forward testing this day, because it is not the best time to trade when we have a bank holiday. So I will edit this video. I will cut in scenes where we are doing something uh, like worthy to watch. So yeah, I will see you uh, at market open. My bias for today is pretty bullish because we have this huge new week opening gap. We just dumped a lot. We took out this low, so and we have an SMT of it. So I want to see retracement to this huge gap. It's like, let's see, 110 points around that. So I want to target that today if we can get it, but I don't think we will have a good price action because of the bank holiday. So let's see. Okay, market is about to open, or it's already open. In this scenario, I would like to see manipulation to the downside, but we don't really have any fairway gaps. Only this one, but this is pretty low. But we'll see if we can get there. I'll mark this out with the box. Okay. It is a bullish FEG. It would be nice if we can get down here. Let's see. But I will say it one more time. I do not expect anything much. Like the 9:30 open candle was pretty small. We did not do anything yet. I will mark out this new low here, so I will know if we take this out. I will mark it out on ES2, so I will know if we have an SMT or not. I will mark this SMT low out too. We are holding bearish on the 1 hour, by the way, so we might go lower. We will see. It's looking more bearish than bullish. Excuse me. It's looking more bearish than bullish, but we just have this huge gap. But we might go lower because we did not get into any higher time frame gaps, and the closest one is this 4 hour and 1 hour here. So let's see what we can do here. We are ripping lower. Let's see if we can take out this low here. Okay, we did take out this low. Ideally, I want to see it go lower because we are still not in any, like, we don't have any gaps on the left. Let's see if we have some like 15 minutes. We have this 15-minute, but it's already filled, and I don't know. The 4 hour would be better to get into, so I might look for shorts here. We have an SMT off of this low too. We just did not take it yet, but I think it will. If not, we might see some sort of reactions to the upside. but I won't long here probably because we just have a lot of like higher lower time frame gaps, lower higher higher lower. I don't know. Let's see what we will do. Okay, we are rejecting this low. If we can get an inversion on the 5 minute here, it would be like a B plus setup, in my opinion, because we are not delivering from anything, and it is just not a trade I would take personally. It might play out, but even if I'm forward testing, I won't force trades that I don't like because you need to practice good habits, and you need to practice your strategy even if you are not trading for money or you are not trading for passing an evil account, or you are just only backtesting or forward testing, because that's how you learn to keep like your patience and keep your rules. So it is pretty hard to like do. That's where a lot of the traders like fail because of this, because they can be patient and they can't wait for their setups, like A plus plus setups to present themselves. So it is better just to wait. And I'm more leaning to bearish right here because yeah, okay, we have this huge gap up here and this low resistance liquidity, a lot of it, but I still want to see it go lower from here, even if we have this, we will have this SMT. Maybe if I can get this 5 minute gap and see a retracement into it, and then an inversion to the downside, I would probably take it, in my opinion. Okay, let's see. Okay, yes, took it too. So there is no SMT, but we will still have this 4 hour for I don't know. ES is pretty far behind NQ, so but it's not that bad. SMTs only matter if those are in some sort of PDRA or in a fairway gap for my trading style. So this SMT does not concern me much because we are not delivering from anything. We had this 4 hour gap, but we did inverse it, so we should go lower, in my opinion. But let's see what we'll do. Okay, we are just going lower. We did not retrace from this low, so this just signals me that we are pretty bearish and we want to go lower. So we are not moving much. We are just chopping around. We have a lot of wicks here. We only did move like 60 points from the open, so not much of a volume here, but we still can see some setups, but we have to wait. Maybe I will wait for the 4 a.m. The 10 a.m. open, the 4 hour candle. Maybe it will give me a retracement, a manipulation to the upside, and then give me some sort of reaction to downside and get a pretty clean trade here, but we will see. We are not in a hurry. We just have to be patient and wait for our setup to present itself. This is the hardest part. The most people just want to get in shorts as soon as they see this, but sadly it doesn't work like that, because it can easily just wick you out and go in your direction. But let's see if we can get a retracement up here. Looks like we are about to go get into this 5 minute. Yes, we did. And now I will wait for the highest time frame inversion to the downside if we can get it. But if we inverse this 5 minute, I will switch my bias to bullish, I think, because if we can't hold this gap, then we are probably bullish. So let's see. Now the highest time frame inversion would be the 2 minute, because we don't have 3 minute yet. So I would wait for that. I prefer an inversion which is the only gap in the leg, but we have these 2 minutes which are pretty close to each other, so I will make it a 1 like this. So let's see. We are ripping higher pretty hard. We did sweep out this low inside this 15 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, we are holding it too, but let's see if we can get shorts 2 minutes until this 3 minute opens, and 3 minutes until this 5 minute closes. We have that 15 minute sweep. Did we sweep it? We might not. Let's see. No, we created equal lows, so I won't be targeting higher here, because equal lows are pretty dangerous to target against. Let's see if the NQ took it or not. Can I see this low on the... which one was it? This one, I believe. No, this one, no. This one, maybe. Let's see. No, it did not took it neither, so we have those equal lows which we could target. Pretty clean, in my opinion, so I will try to target those. Let's see if we can get or open up this 3 minute. It will be nice, because we might have a better R on this trade. I like to target at least a 1-to-1, but I have to target lower here, because we won't get the 1R on this low. But let's see if we can get lower than that. Okay, we created this gap, so now we have to, or the market has to inverse this gap, and don't inverse this 5 minutes to the upside, because I don't want to see that if we are bearish, because if we inverse this 5 minute, I won't take this 3 minute inverse, if we end up inversing it after we close about this 5 minutes. So let's wait for the 5 minute to close. Looks like we might close about it. We have this 15 minute here. We might tap that. Yes, we are inversing the 5 minute. It would have been a great trade if we took out this 15 minute low and don't leave this equal lows. I think I would have taken it. Let's see. The low of it is 36.25 and the low of this is 36.25. Yeah, so it's basically just equal lows. We did end up coming to this 15-minute gap. Let's see if we can reject that. Yeah, we are just ripping so much higher. But we might hold this 15 minutes, but I doubt it. Let's see if we can create this 5 minutes. I would like to see it get inversed, but I don't want this 15 minutes to get inversed. But we are just going ripping higher like not normal. If we inverse these gaps here, I will be bullish. Okay, 30 seconds until the 15 minute closes. Now, ideally, I want to see it close above this gap too, so I can look for longs. Probably if it won't close above, I will look for short longs too, because we're looking pretty bullish here. We might go up here to sweep those highs. Okay, we end up not inversing this higher gap, but now I want to see a retracement to this 5 minute ideally. This 5 minute inverse would have printed like crazy. But let's see what 10 a.m. does. We might see something like, where is the path? Yeah, I want to see something like this here and up. This would be ideal for me. So okay, now we will create this 5 minute, but I will want to see price get back into this one because this is just in a pretty high premium and I don't really like those, so it will be better if we can get back here. I don't mind getting back here, but it will be better if we can get a reaction out of here, because if we get back here, we might just go lower, you know. But we might not even be tapping this 5 minute. So let's wait and be patient. Okay, we will probably get into this higher 5 minutes. Yes, we did. Let's see what ES is doing. ES did not take those highs neither. So there will be a good chance of us coming back like up here on ES2. If not, we will just chop probably the rest of the day. I don't mind this 5 minute by the way, but it's just too premium for me to take trades from. I do like these though. This is great. It's still not in discount, but if we will have a clean run to this highs, we should react to this 5 minute. Okay, we are getting close, getting pretty close to this 5 minute. So let's see if we can get into it. If yes, it would be good if we create some sort of FVGs here, because I want to get in here if we can. This 2 minutes would be nice, but we should spool lower. Just go lower, real nice deck, please. Just go lower. Give us something. It's just really slow. 1 minute until this candle closes. Yes, and we are not getting this 2 minutes probably. Said. But we might get this 3 minutes. We have a lot more time. Okay, we might get this 2 minute too. But don't get our hopes up. But probably if we get this 2 minutes, we will get the 3 minute too, so. And I enter up off of the highest time frame inversion, so if we get this 3 minutes, I will enter off of this. But we might not get it. The 2 minute just got fucked. But I want to see this 3 minute get created. And I want to see tap into this 5 minutes pretty bad, because this is just so clean. If we don't get this, I will crash out. Generally, it's just so clean. Please, Nasdaq, please. Just give it to me, mate. I'll probably fuck this up too. Just 3 minutes. Yeah. Fuck, man. Fuck, man. I hate this. I hate you, Nasdaq. But we'll open up this 15 minutes. So it will be nice to get into here. Into this 15 minutes. But we might just go higher off of this 5 minutes because we have rejected it perfectly. But we should go lower a little bit. We are about to get into this 15 minutes. I believe. I hope so. Yes, it's already in it. Yes, we are in this shit too. Yes, we are. Okay, now I want to see this 1 minute get created. If not, I might just enter off of these 30 seconds, but this is just so high. It's almost at my break-even point, so it will be nice to create this 1 minute. Will we have a 2 minute? No, not really. Okay, let's see if we can create this 1 minute and then get a reaction off of this 15 minute get and get a long off of here. We probably won't get it, but if we get this 30 second, I will enter off of this, but we might get the one minute. Yes, we did get it, so this is pretty good, looking nice. I mean, if we inverse this 15 minutes, I'm just down for the day. There's just no way we will inverse this. There's, I don't know why would we inverse it. I will enter with my normal size here, even if this is just practice. But I want to practice my risk too, if that makes sense. We are just ripping lower. We might create this 2-minute here. We already saw this 2-minute gap too, and we are in this 5-minute. I don't want us to get lower, so we should go up. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay, we are just not getting anything. We are just going lower. Absolute animal. Nothing here, but we've got some volume here. What's happening? Okay, we're moving. We are moving. Okay, we have this 2-minute. But we are not moving where I want to move. Bro, go lower. Well, go higher. Not lower. It's going lower. We might get into this 5-minute too, but I hope not. We should reject this now or never. Okay, this is just crazy. We left those equal lows here. We left those equal highs here, and we are not taking anything. I don't know. I don't know, bro. We came down straight. We did not take this low. We came up straight. We did not take these low highs. And now we are going back down straight. I don't get it. This is just not ideal for me. We did not get into this 5-minute. Okay, we have 6 minutes left. If we inverse this gap, I'm done. I'm done for today, but this is why I don't like trading on bank holidays. This is just, we have so obvious draws on liquidity and we just can't hit any of those. It's frustrating, really. It's just pretty frustrating. But we might get deep bounce now. We will have a 5-minute here, probably. Let's see. These are just so clean targets. So clean, bro. Okay, now I want it to come up and inverse this gap, bro. Why is this taking so long? I hate waiting like this when I know it should go higher because there's like no reason to go lower here. Okay, we have these equal lows, but we did come up. We inversed like everything to the upside, and now we are ripping lower. Okay, now we are just ripping. I mean, if we don't get this set up, I will crash out. Generally, I waited so long for this. Holy shit, bro. Where are we going now? Why? I don't get it. This is just crazy. We will just straight up go to this size. We didn't even inverse this 3 minute. We will inverse this 2 minute. Bro. I want to see a little bit of retracement down here to make it 1 hour at least. I will take this no matter what, even if we close here, but this will be just my break-even point, and I won't be able to target those as take profit because we were just so close. It will fuck up my RR. Okay, 1.5 minutes. Come back, fill some gaps, and or something. Come back here and then reject up here and close the 5 minute there. What do you say? Not a bad idea, in my opinion. We have S&T from these highs, but these are just not like the biggest highs of all time. It has still more liquidity to draw because it's just so obvious. Okay, half minute till we close. I will enter with 5 cons. If we can inverse it, because now it is looking like we won't even inverse. Okay.
Order filled.
I'm in there. Holy fill. And I will target these size. Let's see. If I get stopped out here, I don't know, bro. This is just perfect. Okay, we came back to this 2 and 3 minute gap and we tested the 5 minute inverse. We should not go lower from here. Let's see. I will probably go break even. I won't say here because this is just too close and I'm just, it's just too obvious that we'll run this size, so I will go break even here. Because if we come back from here, it will be a stop out, in my opinion. I deserve to be break even here, right? Jesus Christ. Holy shit. What did just happen, bro?
Order filled.
Finally, bro, finally. Holy shit. What was this day, bro? Jesus Christ. Oh, that's why you don't trade bank holidays, guys. I will see you in the next one. Peace.